In this video, I'll give you 6 reasons to start a YouTube advertising campaign. But first, a shout out to our sponsor, Drip. Graduate from traditional email marketing to intelligent marketing automation. Click here to set up a free account and manage all the new leads you'll get from your YouTube ads. The number one reason to start a YouTube ad campaign is the absolutely massive reach. YouTube has been the leading digital video platform for over a decade and now has over 1 billion users, watching 1 billion hours of video every single day. That's almost 1/3 of the internet. YouTube is also the second largest search engine next to its big brother Google, so if you're worried about your customers not being on YouTube, they are. In an average month, 18-year-olds in the US spend more time watching YouTube than any television network. On mobile alone, more 18 to 49-year-olds watch YouTube during primetime in the US than they do the top 10 primetime shows combined. So forget the Big Bang Theory, make a big bang on YouTube. The targeting options on YouTube are simply insane. You can target viewers based on age, location, interests, videos watched, and even pages they've visited on your website. With all these options, you don't have to worry about wasting money on the wrong viewers. And speaking of money, with YouTube ads, it's possible to reach viewers for pennies a view. Need to generate brand awareness? You don't need to break the bank. Also, with YouTube ads, you're not charged for a view unless the viewer watches 30 seconds of your video or finishes the entire video, whichever comes first. When you promote a video on YouTube, all the views you get are added to your video's public view count. This can help your video gain traction in search results, and that added exposure doesn't stop when your promotion campaign ends. 96% of consumers find videos helpful when making purchase decisions online, and nearly 3/4 are more likely to purchase a product or service if they can watch a video explaining it beforehand. Over the last 2 years, the number of small and medium-sized businesses advertising on YouTube has doubled, but that's nowhere near as saturated as AdWords or Facebook ads. When managed intelligently, video ads are a fantastic investment. But as with any investment, a little research and planning can go a long way. You can click here to download my YouTube advertising checklist to make sure you have everything you need to run a successful video ad campaign. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell so you don't miss any of my latest video marketing tips, tricks, and tutorials.